Mimosa. I wanted to take her out of the tent so you can get a nice view of this purple pheno. Breeder B-Danks. It is just covered in trichomes. And it's purple. I mean, she's just stacked. Great fucking job breeding. So this is what you guys need when you're starting out. Good genetics. It's gonna change your grow game. It's gonna make you not want to quit the first time you try. But yeah, now that we actually have something to show, results, because that's what it matters, right? Now, we had some hiccups along the way, which is normal. Everyone has hiccups. But what we're going to do is we're going to talk about them and why they happen. We're going to explain them. So stay tuned for the final on this bad boy. She's about 2 inches taller than every other plant. So, like I said, she is just stacked. And we still have 2 weeks to go. Remember that. 2 weeks. All right. So this is the Mimosa. 8 weeks. And just look at these fucking buds. So I'm taking it in the dark. Final weigh-in for the Mimosa. $17.6 grams. Not sure why it's not showing on the camera.